How to make a Discord server on mobile. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can make a Discord server. The first thing you want to do is launch open any web browser and head over to discord.com, or you can also launch open the Discord app. Now make sure to log into your account. Now from the left hand side panel, you will find this plus icon. Select that. Here you will have a couple of options. If you want to start from a template, you have the options such as gaming, friends, study group, and school club. If you want to create your own server, go ahead and select create my own. Now you want to select whether the server is for a club or community or for you and your friends. I'm going to select the second one. Now go ahead and name your server. If you want, you can also add a profile picture. After that, tap on the create option. As you can see, your new server has been created. Now you can also use the custom themes over here. Then head back. Now if you want to head over to the server settings, simply select your server name, then tap on server settings. From here you can manage different things such as expression, people, apps, moderation, and much more. You can also delete your server from here. Now you will find events, server boost, text channels, and voice channels over here. If you want more control, you can simply tap on your server name, and here you will have a couple of options such as server boost, invite to server, app directory, notification settings, hide muted channels, and much more. In this way, you can easily make a Discord server on mobile. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.